1. 1972 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street. Price: $40,000. Located St. John's, Florida. The 1972 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street is a bold and ambitious project car that blends drag racing heritage with street-legal potential. This Nova has already seen significant investment, with more than $80,000 spent on its build, making it an extraordinary opportunity for collectors and racers alike. The body is 99% rust-free, retaining original panels except for a fiberglass hood and inner fenders. The chassis has been sandblasted, primed, and reinforced with tubular connectors, a 4-link rear suspension, and coilover shocks, ensuring durability and strength. Inside, the car features new Kirky racing seats, a tilt steering column, fresh carpet, and modern wiring components, combining racing functionality with driver comfort. The centerpiece is a massive 565 cubic inch aftermarket big block Chevy engine, currently unassembled but ready for balancing and assembly. Premium parts such as Acali's crankshaft, Oliver billet rods, Mahle pistons, AFR CNC heads, and a rear Morrison intake manifold promise immense horsepower once completed. Supporting systems include Aeromotive fuel delivery, Lemons headers, and a turbo 400 transmission, all designed for high performance. Safety and handling are addressed with a 12-point roll cage, Willwood brakes, and strange rear suspension components. With its striking red exterior, black interior, and extensive list of new parts, this Nova represents both a challenge and an opportunity. Located in St. John's, Florida, it offers enthusiasts the chance to own a nearly complete pro street project that embodies the spirit of drag racing culture and promises thrilling performance once finished. 2. 1970 Buick Skylark Custom Coupe 2D. Price: $15,000. Located St. Petersburg, Florida. The 1970 Buick Skylark Custom Coupe 2D is a classic American car that embodies elegance and durability. With its silver exterior and black interior, this vehicle presents a timeless design that appeals to collectors and enthusiasts alike. Powered by a 350 engine with a 2-barrel carburetor, it delivers reliable performance while maintaining originality. The car has been driven approximately 100,000 miles, yet it retains a solid body with only minor rust areas, making it an excellent candidate for restoration or customization. Inside, the Skylark offers original features such as the back seat and functioning radio, adding authenticity to its character. Many extra original parts are included, ensuring that restoration projects can be completed with genuine components. Whether you choose to restore it to factory condition or modify it into a custom build, the Skylark provides a versatile foundation. Its automatic transmission and gasoline fuel system make it practical for everyday driving, while its classic styling ensures admiration at car shows. Located in St. Petersburg, Florida, this Buick Skylark represents a rare opportunity to own a clean title classic that balances originality with potential. 3. 1969 AMC Javelin. Price: $35,000. Located Lake Placid, Florida. The 1969 AMC Javelin is a distinctive muscle car that stands out with its bold design and strong performance. Finished in a professional blue paint accented by white stripes and Kragar wheels, this Javelin captures attention instantly. It is powered by a 343 engine and has been driven approximately 95,692 miles, yet it continues to run smoothly, offering a driving experience described as a dream. The car features factory air conditioning upgraded with vintage air, along with an enhanced alternator and cooling system, ensuring comfort and reliability. Inside, the black interior remains in excellent condition, free from rips or tears, and includes Javelin floor mats that highlight its authenticity. Chrome detailing in the engine bay adds to its visual appeal. With over $45,000 invested in updates, including a new steering box and battery, this Javelin has been meticulously maintained. It has also won trophies, reflecting its quality and presentation. Never rusted, with documentation of paintwork, it stands as a true collector's piece. Located in Lake Placid, Florida, this AMC Javelin offers enthusiasts a rare chance to own a muscle car that combines originality, upgrades, and show-winning charm. 4. 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass GL Sedan 4D. Price, $13,500. Located, Loxahatchee, Florida. The 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass GL Sedan 4D is a mint-condition classic that showcases originality and timeless appeal. With a red exterior and matching red interior, this sedan delivers striking visual harmony. Driven only 11,634 miles, it remains in exceptional condition, making it one of the most preserved examples of its kind. The car features an automatic transmission and gasoline fuel system, ensuring smooth operation and practicality. Inside, the interior is described as 100% original and in excellent shape, offering comfort and authenticity. This Cutlass is considered turnkey, ready to drive without requiring extensive work, which is rare for vehicles of this age. The seller emphasizes its originality, noting that it is a true collector's car with all factory details intact. Whether admired for its design or enjoyed on the road, the Cutlass GL represents the enduring quality of Oldsmobile engineering. Located in Loxahatchee, Florida, it provides enthusiasts with a unique opportunity to acquire a fully original, low-mileage classic sedan that embodies the spirit of early 1970s American motoring. 5. 1969 Plymouth Barracuda 340 Formula S Fastback. Price, $29,500. Located, St. Petersburg, Florida. The 1969 Plymouth Barracuda 340 Formula S Fastback is a rare and highly collectible muscle car that represents the peak of Mopar engineering during the late 1960s. This particular example is one of only 1,431 fastbacks produced, making it a true limited production classic. Powered by a 340 cubic inch V8 paired with a 727 torque flight automatic transmission, it delivers strong performance while maintaining drivability. The car also features dealer-installed air conditioning, a rare option that adds comfort and value. With fewer than 45,000 miles, this Barracuda is considered a survivor, retaining 99% of its originality. Discovered as a Colorado barn find, it shows minimal rust and carries authentic patina that enthusiasts admire. The brown exterior paired with a white interior creates a distinctive look, while rally wheels and period-correct details enhance its appeal. Inside, everything remains functional, including the original radio and owner's manual still tucked in the glove box. Receipts totaling over $10,000 document updates such as a new radio, fresh tires, and mechanical work, ensuring reliability without compromising originality. This Barracuda is not restored but preserved, offering collectors the chance to own a genuine piece of history. Its rarity, originality, and condition make it a standout among classic Mopars. Located in St. Petersburg, Florida, this 1969 Plymouth Barracuda 340 Formula S Fastback is a remarkable opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a true survivor car that blends authenticity with timeless muscle car character. 6. 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe 2D. Price, $15,000. Located, Orange Park, Florida. The 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe 2D is a stylish and powerful classic that marked Chevrolet's entry into the personal luxury car segment. With its bold red exterior and black interior, this Monte Carlo combines elegance with muscle car performance. Driven approximately 90,000 miles, it remains a solid and reliable vehicle, enhanced by numerous upgrades that make it stand out among other classics. The car features OEM steering components and a full front tubular suspension with coilovers, offering improved handling and adjustability. Mag wheels paired with Cooper Cobra tires give it a sporty stance, while modern touches such as LED headlights and updated wiring ensure practicality for today's roads. Under the hood, the Monte Carlo is equipped with an Edelbrock carburetor, performer intake, and dual electric cooling fans, supported by a complete engine cooling system and external transmission cooler. These upgrades enhance reliability and performance, making the car ready for both cruising and spirited driving. Inside, a Classic Industries instrument cluster with sensor conversion modernizes the dashboard, blending vintage style with updated functionality. The TH350 transmission has been mildly built for durability, while rear tubular adjustable control arms improve stability. With over $8,000 invested in parts and less than 4,000 miles on most upgrades, this Monte Carlo represents excellent value. Located in Orange Park, Florida, it offers enthusiasts a chance to own a well-maintained classic that balances originality with thoughtful improvements, making it both a collectible and a dependable driver. 7. 1974 Plymouth Roadrunner. Price, $6,000. Located, Howey in the Hills, Florida. The 1974 Plymouth Roadrunner is a project car that continues to carry the spirit of Mopar's muscle car era. Known for its bold styling and reputation for affordable performance, the Roadrunner was designed to deliver excitement both on the street and at the track. This particular example, finished in white with a black interior, has been driven approximately 72,291 miles and comes with a clean title, making it a solid candidate for restoration. While the 318 engine is currently non-running, the car remains structurally sound, offering enthusiasts a strong foundation to rebuild or customize. The Roadrunner's design reflects the early 1970s muscle car aesthetic with aggressive lines, wide stance, and unmistakable presence. Even in project condition, it retains the character that made the model famous. Collectors value the Roadrunner not only for its performance heritage, but also for its cultural significance as one of Plymouth's most iconic nameplates. With minimal rust and an intact body, this car provides an excellent opportunity for restoration projects, whether aiming for originality or a custom build. For enthusiasts, the appeal lies in reviving a Mopar legend that still commands respect decades after its release. Located in Howey in the Hills, Florida, this Roadrunner represents a rare chance to acquire a classic muscle car at an accessible price point. With dedication and craftsmanship, it can be transformed into a striking example of American automotive history, blending nostalgia with the thrill of performance. 8. 1973 Chevrolet Nova Hatchback. Price, $13,000. Located, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. The 1973 Chevrolet Nova Hatchback is a distinctive classic that combines practicality with Chevrolet's muscle car heritage. Finished in blue with a black interior, this Nova has been driven approximately 56,928 miles and retains its original engine and exterior, making it a strong candidate for restoration or customization. The hatchback design introduced in this generation set it apart from earlier Nova models, offering unique styling and added versatility while maintaining the recognizable Chevrolet identity. This particular example is described as running and driving, though it requires some work to reach its full potential. The automatic transmission paired with a gasoline fuel system ensures ease of use, while the car's proportions and stance continue to reflect the muscle car era. Enthusiasts will appreciate the originality of this vehicle, as it provides a foundation for either a faithful restoration or a personalized build. Inside, the black interior remains functional, though like the exterior, it could benefit from attention to detail. With a clean title in hand, buyers can feel confident in its authenticity and ownership history. The Nova hatchback is admired for its balance of affordability, performance, and classic styling, making it a popular choice among collectors. Located in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, this 1973 Chevrolet Nova hatchback represents an opportunity to own a distinctive piece of Chevrolet history that blends originality with potential for future enhancement. 9. 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. Price, $49,900. Located, Clearwater, Florida. The 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle is a legendary muscle car that continues to be one of the most admired classics from the golden age of American performance. This particular example, finished in a striking blue exterior with a black interior, has been driven approximately 35,997 miles and remains in excellent condition. Under the hood, it is powered by a 396 cubic inch V8 engine, enhanced with HEI electronic ignition, polished aluminum intake, Holley carburetor, headers, and dual exhaust. Together, these components deliver the raw power and distinctive sound that define the muscle car era. The 4-speed manual transmission adds driver engagement, while features such as power steering, front and rear sway bars, and Craig RSS wheels with BF Goodrich tires ensure both handling and stability. Inside, the Chevelle offers a black bench seat, auxiliary gauges, and a retro sound radio, blending vintage authenticity with modern convenience. Chrome details, a cowl hood, and a detailed engine bay further elevate its presentation, making it show-ready and admired by enthusiasts. This Chevelle represents more than just a car. It is a piece of history that embodies the spirit of 1960s American muscle. Located in Clearwater, Florida, it offers collectors a rare opportunity to own a well-preserved and powerful classic that continues to inspire admiration and respect among muscle car enthusiasts worldwide.